From the following information, calculate change in the inventories of the finished goods. So what you have to show here, you have to show the change in the inventories. मतलब ये कहाँ पर, this is the notes to the accounts of profit and loss statement. ठीक है, ये हमारा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट के अंदर का notes है, that is change in the inventory of the finished goods. For this purpose, the information which has been given is the opening inventory and the closing inventory of the finished goods is given. Opening inventories is 2 lakh rupees and the closing inventories is 1,75,000 respectively. And uska aapko kya show karna hai? You have to show the notes to the accounts of it. So first we have to draw the format. Draw the format. Give the heading notes to accounts. Note number, particulars and 2 amounts ka column. Now note number A. सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे फिनिश गुड्स. Then we write down the opening inventory. So how much is the opening inventory which has been given? ₹2 lakh. Closing inventory. So this will be subtracted, less closing inventory. Closing inventory 1,75,000. Now opening inventory is more than the closing inventory, correct? So the difference will be of 25,000. So what you are going to write down over here, that rupees 25,000 will be shown in the statement of profit and loss against change in inventories of finished goods. और व्हाट इफ कि अगर आपका क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ज्यादा होता एंड ओपनिंग बैलेंस कम होता तो आप नेगेटिव लिखते थे, देन आप ब्रैकेट में लिखते थे, देन यू विल हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट इट अप. सो इफ योर ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज हायर देन द क्लोजिंग, इट विल बी द पॉजिटिव. बट अगर क्लोजिंग बैलेंस इज हायर देन द ओपनिंग, देन यू विल हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट एंड यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन इन द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट. ओके. Chalo, now next sum. From the following information, prepare notes to accounts on finance cost. So here we have to prepare a notes to the accounts on the finance cost. Interest paid to the bank is 75,000. Interest on debentures is 58,000. Loss on the issue of debentures, which is written off, is 27,500. And the commitment charges are 15,000. अब देखो सारी आइटम्स हमें फाइनेंस कॉस्ट की दी है. नाउ व्हाट सी, अभी आप लोग बोलोगे कि मैम सब कुछ तो हमें फाइनेंस कॉस्ट का दिया है, हमें तो सिर्फ लिखना है. हाँ, पर ये आइडेंटिफाई करना कि हाँ ये फाइनेंस कॉस्ट है, दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट ना. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि हाँ ये फाइनेंस कॉस्ट के आइटम्स है हमारे। Okay, so the important thing over here to know is that you should know that interest paid on to the bank, then interest on debenture, loss on the issue of the debenture which is written off, and the commitment charges are your finance cost. तो इससे आपको ये नोट्स टू अकाउंट से ये आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएगा कि कौन कौन से आइटम्स मेरे फाइनेंस कॉस्ट में रिकॉर्ड होंगे, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली हाउ द नोट्स टू द अकाउंट्स विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड. So again we will give the heading notes to accounts. A1, and here we are preparing for the finance cost. So I will be giving the heading finance costs. And then I am going to write down all the costs which has been given to us. First one is interest paid. Bank. 75,000. Next is interest on debentures. 58,000. Next, we have a loss on the issue of debentures. It is written now. So 27,500. Last one is commitment charges. 15,000. The total 1,75,500. So this much of the amount will be written in the finance cost.